So I told you I was gonna make some mushroom soup out of those leftover mushrooms. So I roughly chopped them all and I added another rough chopped half onion. I'm gonna add some vegetable broth now. You can skip it if you want to. You can add salt and pepper instead. And I'm gonna let it simmer for about 20-30 minutes and then blend it with a stir. Well, this pot is quite small, but it's fine. This is the mushroom soup with my vertical blender. And because I want to keep this vegan, I'm gonna use this Alpro soy milk, which is especially for cooking, for sauces or cream of soups. And then I'm gonna blend it some more. Turn this on the stove and simmer it for no more than 5 more minutes. I've added some chives since I'm out of dried parsley.